Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I have a Walmart haul. There might be another haul after this one. I am not sure yet. Just the way my week is going, I had to get certain things today. And if I have time later in the week, I need to pick up some more things. But anyways, this haul here, let me get my receipt, was $125. It does have some higher ticket items, which you guys will see, and as per usual, I'm going to start on this side and work my way over. So I got the Mission Jalapeno Cheddar Wraps. As most of you know, if you've been watching my husband's lunch videos, I've been packing these, making him wraps in these for years. I like them myself. Every once in a while I'll make them, I'll use these for quesadillas at home. But lately I've been liking to make a chicken or turkey hummus veggie wrap on the panini grill. So I just wrap up my chicken or turkey meat, you know, deli meat, whatever veggies I have, and then I use the hummus as a condiment, and then I wrap it and put it in the panini maker just till the wrap part gets crispy. It's super tasty. And I also do that sometimes too with no meat, just hummus and veggies, and it's really good. But anyways, I got these. I got a loaf of the butter bread, which is the bread my son likes for his peanut butter sandwiches, and this bread's really good too for toast and French toast. I had to get some more Downy fabric conditioner. This is the Wrinkle Guard. I've used this before. It's really nice, and since I hang dry our clothing, it does help, because a lot of times when you hang dry clothes, they do get kind of wrinkly and stiff, so it helps with that. I got this Bubba brand. We love the Bubba brand. We have several, you know, water coolers and cups by Bubba brand. But anyways, my son is always stealing my cup. I don't know where it is right now, but my son's always stealing. I have a couple Yeti cups that are like the 30-ounce tumblers, and he's always stealing them on me and like taking them on me. So I decided to get him his own big cup. I just cleaned out a lot of his cups from when he was younger and donated or threw a lot of them out because they're just too small. My son's pretty much like the size of an adult at this point. He's over 5 foot tall, so it was time. I'll probably get him another one of these too, so he can have two. But anyways, this is just an 18-hour cold, 6-hour hot, 24-ounce BPA-free Bubba insulated cup. I should have probably just gotten another one today too. I'll probably just grab him like a blue or a red one, but he can start with that. This was $13, by the way, and this is a great brand. I highly recommend it. It's getting to be that time of year where the weather's warming up. We had like a random heat wave last week where it was in the 80s. As we speak now, it's pretty cool out. It's only like in the 50s. But anyways, I got this Neutrogena Cool Dry Sport Sunscreen Spray Broad Spectrum SPF 100 for the beach, the pool, blah blah blah, that kind of thing for the summer. I got some organic baby spinach for salads, for those hummus wraps, and for a recipe. Here is just some deli sliced chicken breast for those hummus wraps. I got some fine cut green beans for a recipe. These here, I got a whole bunch similar to this. It was like a little bit different kind of vibe, but the same concept. Last year, I did not like them, and then they ended up growing on me. So I did have a coupon for $2 off, and they're the cheapest at Walmart. This 3-pack is $6.97, and then I had a $2 off coupon. So I did get them. I go through a lot more razors in the summer, as I think most of us do, because we're shaving our legs a lot more often. So I got those. I got some hell of a good French onion dip. My sister's birthday is coming up, and we are celebrating her birthday at my house on Memorial Day weekend. So this is just a dip I got for one of many different appetizer thingies we're gonna have. I got 2 packages of meatloaf mix. This is the McCormick Less Sodium meatloaf mix, and this is just a random brand I've never seen and wanted to try because I'm gonna do some turkey meatloaf. I absolutely love this sauce. My friend Janet over at the channel, Janet and Eric, shout out to you, Janet, if you're watching, got me onto this sauce. We've tried all the flavors. There's either 3 or 4 flavors. We've tried them all. This is definitely one of my favorites. It has literal whole garlic cloves in it, and I love garlic. The jars are small, but the sauces are absolutely delicious. We use them for all different things. I got this Everyone for Everybody brand hand sanitizer spray. I've gone through a ton of these. Even before the pandemic, I've always used hand sanitizer gel and spray. So I just needed another one. I have one that's about to run out, so I got it as a backup. It's the ruby red grapefruit. I got a large 3-pound package of ground turkey. I'm gonna make turkey meatloaf like I mentioned, and then I'll freeze whatever I have left. I did get some more of my Ice brand sparkling 0 sugar caffeine drinks in the blue raspberry, so there are 4 of those. And I did decide to try the triple citrus, the same thing, 0 sugar with caffeine. I have never tried this. I've only tried the blue raspberry and the black raspberry, and I love these. So I just try to have like 1 a day or 1 every other day, and I just love them. I got some small Dixie brand plates. I already have the large ones, and then I also have the ones that have like the separators for like the sides and the main entree. I didn't have any this size, and it's getting to be that time of year where we're having a lot of family get-togethers and we're able to socialize again. So these I needed just for appetizers. I got a Sargento Balanced Break cheese and crackers. This is the Ritz cracker with pepper jack and Colby Jack cheese for my husband's lunches. I got this Trix yogurt for my son. It's the strawberry and berry. I guess it was like requested to come back. I don't remember it ever being out, but I think my son will really like that. I got a rotisserie chicken for a couple recipes. Some of the meat I'm going to use for like a Tuscan chicken stew, and some of the meat I'm going to use for chicken salad, whatever's left from the stew. And then I'll probably boil the bones and the carcass and make like bone broth. I really want to try to get every penny out of this. I got some of the cat food for my cat, the Delectable Stew 12-pack. I got lightly salted Pringles for my son. I got some Cheez-It Extra Toasty individual packs. These are great for portion control, because if you've ever tried the extra toasty Cheez-Its, they're excellent, and it's so easy just to overeat them. I got a large Jimmy Dean sausage. If you've been following my channel for any amount of time, this is hands down 100% my favorite sausage to cook with. You can use it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Any recipe, you name it, that requires sausage, I highly recommend this. I like getting the 2-pound because I can cut it into 3 pieces and get 3 meals for my husband and I. I have some Simply potatoes, shredded hash brown potatoes for breakfast, or hash brown casserole, or just sometimes I just throw it in different recipes or soups, quiches. It's just really universal. I got some more Snyder's pretzel sticks. My son likes these. We all eat them. And again, family's coming over. Ruffles cheddar and sour cream chips I thought would be good with this dip for my family. I don't eat this dip. I'm not really big into dairy, but my family likes it. I got the Body Armor Blue Raspberry Superior Hydration drinks for my husband's lunches. The Wal-Mart brand Great Value tissues that I like, the lotion ones, now come in a 4-pack. I've never seen the 4-pack before. I had been buying the individual boxes, but this is a little bit cheaper. And it is hardcore pollen season here. The pollen is so thick every morning. It's all over our deck, our driveway, our cars. So we're all suffering from it. So we definitely need tissues. I was going to get Coke Zero, but I saw they had this cherry vanilla Coke Zero, which sounded even better. And my husband and I both will drink the Zero, so it's like a win-win for both of us. And then just a spring water for my coffee. A few people have asked why I buy the spring water in my coffee, for my coffee maker, and not just use regular tap water. It's just kind of a habit. There's nothing wrong with my tap water. There's been plenty of times when I didn't have this and I just used tap water. My tap water's fine. It's just kind of a mental thing. It's just something I'm used to doing. And if I don't have it, no big deal. If I remember to buy it, great. But for me, it's 80 cents. These bottles are 80 cents at my Walmart, and I buy one every 2 weeks. It's just a small little amount for me that, I don't know, I just feel like mentally my coffee tastes a little better, but that could just be my imagination. Anyways, this is everything I picked up. This is just some Brussels sprouts thawing out for a recipe. After this, like I said, there's either going to be another grocery haul or the meal plan for next week, so keep on watching. Hey guys, so I've got a Walmart haul. I am pretty sure this is going to be in the same video as another haul. Not really sure yet, but going with the flow. It's the Friday of Memorial Day weekend. It was absolutely insanely chaotic there. So my son and I went and just tried to get in and get out. It was just nuts. But anyways, most of this stuff is for the weekend. which I'll talk about. I had to get a lot of the things for my sister's birthday. She wanted me to make like a charcuterie board, so I picked up a lot of things for that. So she likes Gouda cheese, so I picked up this hickory smoked bourbon for the charcuterie board, and also this English sweet cheese with apricot. I just thought it looked kind of interesting. I don't even eat cheese, so this is all like for my family. I needed some Better Than bouillon. I ran out, so I just get the roasted chicken one. It's really tasty in soups, and just a little teaspoonful in all different recipes just makes it super tasty. I got a couple apples. I got some Black Label chopped bacon bits because I have to make broccoli, bacon, loaded twice-baked potatoes for Monday for our barbecue with family. Strawberries. I did grab another one of these Bubba brand cups. If you guys saw, we already have this one. It's like a rubber matte finish. My son and I have literally been using it every single day. It's like the perfect size. It doesn't get condensated. So I did get another one. They were pretty slim pickings. I was actually going to get another black one and a colored one, but they didn't have any more of the black. So I just got like this coral colored one for myself because I'll use it every day. My husband and I needed coffee creamer, so I got the hazelnut coffee mate creamer. They were out of the Italian sweet cream. They were actually out of a lot of things. I've mentioned before, we live in a really high tourist area, so a lot of things sell out between like Memorial Day and Labor Day, so you just kind of get what you get. I got my husband the Almond Joy International Delight. It was actually the last bottle. A small thing of milk for the loaded twice-baked potatoes. Some Cabot Vermont extra sharp cheddar again for that cheese board, peppered salami for the cheese board, some of these salad toppers for salads because I've been having a lot of salads at home, and I just thought these would be like a little crunchy adding or addition to it. These are amazing. I had these at my friend's house a few weeks ago. When my son was having a play date, she had these. They were awesome. I asked her where she got them, and she said Walmart. So I was able to find them. They're the coconut cream flavor. They're like a creamy coconut, obviously popsicle kind of a stick. But they're really tasty. They have like a real fruit taste, like a real coconut taste, not like an artificial one. I got my husband the Cape Cod Dark Russet Kettle Cooked Chips. Another bag of Ruffles, just in case my family, because we have dip, we need more chips. I wanted a backup bag. I already have Ritz crackers and Triscuit crackers, but I wanted to get another one for that charcuterie. This is just the Crunchmaster multi-seed original flavor. It just has like all different seeds in the cracker. I also got these fresh mozzarella snack balls for that as well. And my husband can also take these for lunches. I got grapes for the board. I actually got a couple pounds because whatever we don't use on the cheese board, we can have for snacking. I was all out of celery, so I got that. I got green onions for the loaded baked potatoes, yogurt tubes, the Wal-Mart brand, and yogurt pouches that my son takes to school sometimes. And then, of course, a bag of potatoes to make the potatoes. So pretty just small random haul for very specific things. I think this haul was like $60, mainly because the cheeses were all pretty pricey. Like these two alone were $5 or $6 each. But anyways, that is the haul for now, and after this there will either be a meal plan or another haul depending on the placement of where this falls. Okay, so meal plan for the upcoming week. One night I want to do some shrimp oils in like a garlic butter sauce, and I'm just going to need to get some corn. I think I have shrimp, I have kielbasa, and I have potatoes. So I'll need to make like a small shopping list to make sure I have everything I need. For that, I'm also going to put some Old Bay seasoning in that as well, so I have to check and see if I have that. I've got a ton of chicken breast, so I'm going to marinate some chicken breast, and we're going to do grilled chicken, strawberry salads, big dinner size salads, and then I will have some leftover chicken I can use for salads and wraps for my husband and I for lunch. I'm going to do a quiche one night with a salad. I might do like a breakfast style quiche with sausage, potatoes, and cheese, and then just a simple salad on the side. For a no meat night, I'm going to do a double batch of minestrone soup and salad, and then I'll freeze half the soup. I just do a pretty traditional, easy recipe in the crock pot. You can literally just Google minestrone soup and you can come up with, it'll come up with all different variations of it. I really just try to use whatever I have to use up, and I'm pretty sure I have the little shell pasta that I like to use in that soup. I'm gonna do sheet pan taco nachos one night. So just imagine taco meat on a sheet pan of nachos, and then I melt cheese, and then once it comes out of the oven I add shredded lettuce, tomato, black olives, and my husband will put sour cream on his, and we just kind of do like a sheet pan dinner style and eat off of the tray. I'm gonna do some pork chops on the grill one night. I have pork chops in my freezer. I'll just thaw them out, simple salt and pepper. We'll grill them with some barbecue sauce. I've got sweet potatoes to use up and veggies to use up. And then of course I have my freebie night. I actually think we're gonna go out to dinner with some friends because my son is going to my in-laws house for a few hours on a Saturday night. So it'll give my husband and I a good like 4-hour chunk of time where we can go out with some friends and then just maybe get a couple errands done after. But that's the game plan for next week. Have a great weekend, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.